Imagine your construction projects finishing faster and under budget. How? AI is the answer. In the world of construction, AI is not just a futuristic concept, it is a present day reality. With the industry's push towards digital transformation, AI is stepping in to automate labor intensive tasks, optimizing project timelines, and saving costs. According to a recent McKinsey report, AI in construction could boost productivity by up to 50%. This means small and mid-sized construction companies can now compete with larger firms by integrating AI into their workflows. Site management is one of the most crucial aspects of construction that AI is transforming. AI-powered drones and cameras monitor job sites in real time, identifying safety hazards or inefficiencies. This technology does not just save time, it enhances safety by preventing accidents before they happen. Google's DeepMind recently discussed advancements in AI models that can predict structural failures, adding another layer of security to construction sites. AI is revolutionizing the way construction projects are designed and planned. Tools like Building Information Modeling, BIM, now integrate AI to optimize architectural designs, ensuring projects are aesthetically pleasing, functional, and sustainable. The Scene Critic paper mentions how AI can evaluate and adjust indoor designs, a concept that applies broadly in creating efficient building layouts. AI allows construction managers to make decisions based on real-time data. Systems equipped with AI can analyze project progress, resource allocation, and supply chain logistics, providing actionable insights. OpenAI's recent advancements in agentic workflows exemplify how AI can manage complex construction logistics, adapting to changes quickly and efficiently. With AI taking over manual and repetitive tasks, the role of the construction workforce is evolving. Workers are upskilling to manage AI tools and technology. This does not mean job losses, but a shift in the types of skills required. MIT Tech Review highlights AI's potential to support workers rather than replace them, creating a symbiotic relationship between technology and human expertise. If you want to stay ahead in the construction industry, AI is your next big move. Subscribe to Gradient Data Loop for more insights on AI in business, hit the bell icon for updates, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.